Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is David DT, Trading-to-Win.com. On a day like today, totally flatlined, obviously. I couldn't come up with anything better than to take a memory trip, and you looking at the daily chart of S&P 500 futures, and looking backwards right now, that was a time when trading was easy. I remember that summertime, and the living is easy. Anyhow, my singing ability obviously not up to the par, but this is March 6, 2009, bottom, the market signals work. Here, slow down, count down, sell, sell. Pay attention to that series of .G like structures. I believe a lot of people back then even started to count those, and in average it was between 6 and 8 .Gs. So let's go slide to the right, and here you go. You see the next intermediate top, 6 G likes candles, another one coming up with Gs, another one, the mark sell, kind of hesitation, 8 candles, moving on to the right again, and that famous trend line. Obviously, if we would watch it, we would make a lot of money. And this is January, I believe January 18th, whatever, mid-January top. We predicted it quite nicely. It did not materialize on this can down sell, but on setup sell it worked, and I believe back then it was in line with Fibonacci time series of, forgot what it was at. Anyhow, let's go more to the right. The point I'm trying to make is, come on, let's go. I'll probably just slide up to the right. Oh yeah, well, that April top is not really doji-like structure, but the mark worked here again. Once again, you know, sometimes you take it and wish you wouldn't, and you're losing, and sometimes you take it and the only problem is to stay with the trade. This is a famous May 6, where I got burned any way you want it, up and down. That was absolutely beautiful day in a big air quotes. Anyhow, what you see right now, right? I don't know why this trend line, which has been on the chart for quite a while, lined it up so beautifully with the tops of these candles. Look at this, dodges. Today, after market closes, day 6. So I don't know, maybe we're going to see movement like that till the end of the week, and obviously I'm going to be trying to find any reasonable resistance support levels, but for now what strikes me as extremely odd, that beautiful resemblance of prior intermediate tops. That's how it was formed before. I'm a little sick right now, having a cold, lost the rest of my voice. So trade well and be careful with the long positions. I know I've been saying it for a while, but that looks really tight right now. Alright, trade well, DT, Trading-to-Win.com.